Arduino Uno 14 Days Challenge Learning Kit is used for building electronics projects. This kit completely revolutionized DIY electronics, making it possible for students, hobbyists, developers, learners, artists, and teenagers to create a vast array of projects which interact with people and the environment. Various components are included like ultrasonic, IR receiver, tilt switch, flame sensor, Bluetooth module, keypad, and many more. With these components you can create endless projects. This kit is perfect for beginners or experts in this field. We provide a user guide, video tutorial, and software link. This tutorial focused on introducing Arduino software and code to drive electronic devices, which helps learn about Arduino programming. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics. It includes many activities, which will take you from knowing to utilizing electronics in the real world. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics using an Arduino and a lot of things that will take you from a beginner to an enthusiast.